Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a topic called decimals. In previous videos we have covered what is rational number and what are the properties of rational numbers and fractions, what are the fractions, types of fractions and what are those properties of that fractions. We have covered all these topics. Now this is the last topic of number systems. Okay, for 7th class IIT people, this is the last topic in the number system. Okay, after completion of this topic we will do problems on each and every topic what I have told, but let me complete this topic first of all. Okay, today our topic is decimals. Clear? Decimals. So we have already seen rational numbers, right? So 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, all these are called rational numbers which are in the form of p by q form. So decimals in is nothing but if you are representing it in the dot format, suppose 0.2 it is a decimal, okay, and 3.5 it is a decimal. So if you are representing any rational number in the form of decimals, that means in the form of dot values, then that will come under decimals, that is called decimals. Okay, so this is if we can write this decimal to rational number, just we will see after point how many digits are there. If one digit is there we will put 35 by 10. Suppose let us assume that we have here 3.56, then 356 by 100. Okay, if you have 7 here we will put 1000 here. Did you get this? So this is how we convert the decimal into a fraction, and we will make it to a simplest form it's possible. But let's not jump into this topic. First of all, let us only focus on what is decimal. Okay, decimals are represented in the point values. So there are three types of decimals. Okay, in these decimals we have three types. One is terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal. Okay, one is terminating decimal. Second one is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, and third one is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating and at the same time it is non-recurring decimal. What is the meaning of this? Let us understand one by one. Okay, what is terminating decimal? What is this terminating decimal? Terminating means stop. Terminate means what? Stop. That means that particular decimal should stop at one point. Okay, 2.5. This is called terminating decimal. It is not going further. Okay, this is called terminating decimal. Clear? Suppose if you take 1 by 2. Okay, that means 1 by 2 means what? Just I want to divide 1 with 2, right? So here you will put 0, right? So it will become 10. 2 5s are 10. So here we are getting remainder as 0. That means here the decimal form of 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. It is stopping here itself. So that means it is terminating after 5. So that's why this is called terminating decimal. Okay, we are getting answer at 0.5. That means remainder is becoming 0. So here this is called terminating decimal. It is stopping. So there are so many terminating decimals like this. So next example is non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, what is this non-terminating recurring decimal? Non-terminating recurring decimal in the sense, suppose if I want to do 1 by 7, let us assume that 1 by 7. So if you divide 1 by 7, you will put 0 here, right? 7 ones are 7, 3 you will get 30 again, 7 fours are 28, again you will get 2, 20, again 7 twos are 14, again you are going to get 6, 60, 7 eights are 56, again you are going to get 4, again 40, right? 40 means 7 5s are 35, again you are going to get 5, right? 5 means 50. 50 in the sense what you are going to do, 7 sevens are 49, again you are going to get 1, that means 10. Again you got the first number only. Okay, again you got the first number, that means again it is going to get repeated after 1 4 2 8 5 7. Again if you do, again you will get 1 4 2 8 5 7 only. Again if you do 1 4 2 8 5 7 only, that means 0.142857, it is getting repeated every time. Okay, it is getting repeated every time, so that's why we will put bar. Okay, this indicates that it is non-terminating, it is not ending, so it is not terminating, so that's why we'll put bar. Recurring in the sense it is getting repeated after every time, it is getting repeated after 1 4 2 8 5 7, it is getting repeated, so that's why we'll put non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, suppose if I take 0.13131313, okay, you can simply write 0.13 bar. This is a non-terminating recurring decimal. What is non-terminating non-recurring decimal then? Non-terminating, last thing, what is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal? Okay, non-terminating and non-recurring decimal in the sense you have example of pi. What is the value of pi? You know that is 3.14, but is actually not 3.14, it is 3.14159265358, like this it will goes on. That means again the number is not getting repeated, but it is also not stopping, so the value is very vast after the decimal point. So this is called non-terminating, it is not getting terminated, and also non-recurring, it is not repeating, so this is comes under non-terminating non-recurring decimal. So these are the three different types of decimals we have. Okay, what are those? Terminating decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Clear? If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. Thank you.